Hi, in the last session, we had a lot of explanation on the shift and rotate operators in VHDL. Now, in this session, we will be talking about one of the most widely used operator in VHDL. These are arithmetic operators. There are 8 basic arithmetic operators in VHDL, which are very straightforward. First is addition, and symbol is plus sign. This will be used to add two numbers, and it will also indicates a positive value as well. Second is subtraction, and symbol is minus sign. This will subtract one number from the another number, and it also denotes a negative value as well. Third is multiplication, and symbol is star symbol. This will multiply two numbers. Fourth is division, and symbol is slash sign. This will divide one number by the another number. Fifth is modulus, and the operator is mod. Sixth is remainder, and the operator is rem. This will find the remainder of the division of one number by the another number. Seventh is exponential, and the symbol is double star sign. This will raise a number to the power of the another. Lastly, the eighth one is the absolute value, and the symbol is abs. This will return the absolute value of any number, which is the number without its sign. Arithmetic operators are defined in the numeric_std package in VHDL. Hence, to use these arithmetic operators, please ensure that you declare the numeric_std package at the beginning of your VHDL code. This declaration will allows you to perform the arithmetic operations on the signed or unsigned values or the integer data types in your VHDL codes. Now let's see some examples of the arithmetic operators. So first example is addition. So sig C gets the value of sig A plus sig B semicolon. In this example, signal C is assigned the sum of signal A and signal B. All these three signals are defined as bit std_logic_vector of the same length. Note that all the signals must have the same length to avoid any compilation error. Second example is subtraction. So sig W gets the value of sig X minus sig Y semicolon. Here we consider that all these three signals, which are signal W, signal X and signal Y, are integer data type. And sig W will be assigned the value after subtracting sig Y from the sig X. Now look for the third example. This is sig D gets the value of 2 star star 4 semicolon. Here sig D is integer type and it will get the value of 2 to the power 4. Last fourth example is sig W gets the value of sig X RAM 5 semicolon. Here sig W and sig X are integer data type. So in all four examples, you must notice that we highly focused on the data type, because if you do not follow the right VHDL guidelines to use the same data type while using these operators, then you are tend to get the compilation error in your code. Hence, this is super important to remember while using them. This is the basic fundamental of the arithmetic operators in VHDL. This is just a simple concept, so I think these are sufficient examples to understand these. You just need to remember these arithmetic operators and their symbols to use them in your VHDL codes. So just make a copy of them. Another important thing is that you must follow the thumb rule, that the data types and its length should be seen to use these arithmetic operators. You can use any of these VHDL arithmetic operators in your design based on your project needs. This is quite a short video, and in the next session, we will be talking about the concatenation operator, which is very useful for vector or array data types in VHDL. So stay tuned for the updates. If you did not subscribe till now, then please do subscribe to learn and grow community for the regular updates. If this video is informative, then please like this video, comment on video, and don't forget to share. Thank you for watching.